Note that these instructions are for assembling T-Max drinkers that feature a green activator with a stainless steel threaded insert as seen here, not for the previous version green activator without the insert as seen here. Begin assembly by threading the green activator onto the activator pin located in the center of the activator. Spin the activator onto the activator pin until it comes to a full stop and tighten by hand as much as possible. Place the O-ring, then the washer, and finally the nut onto the threaded end of the activator pin. Now there are two ways you can properly tighten the nut. Either way you choose, you must avoid over-tightening. First, you can use the nut driver to tighten the nut. Hold the stem of the drinker with pliers and tighten with the driver. Tighten the nut so the end of the activator pin is even with or slightly protruding from the nut. This nut has not been tightened enough. It is not flush and can come undone. This nut is tightened properly with the thread end of the activator pin slightly protruding beyond the nut. This nut has been over-tightened with the thread end of the trigger pin protruding well past the nut, damaging the activator. Another way to install the nut without over-tightening is to utilize a cordless drill and Ziggity special design nut setter as seen here. Please note there are two versions of the nut setters. A black nut setter is for the present generation T-Max drinkers, while the silver nut setter is for assembling T-Max drinkers shipped before March 14, 2017 and retrofitted with the green activator with the stainless insert. See your Ziggity installation manual for more information.